Hello, my name is Wyatt Sullivan, and this is my CS120B Intro to Embedded Systems final project. I built an abbreviated version of Guitar Hero using the ATmega1284. To play the game, you use 3 buttons and a joystick as a strummer to match a sequence of notes that scroll through an 8x8 LED matrix. I had to use several different peripherals to build this game, the first being the LCD display, which we went over in lab. This I used to display both the start menu and the score screen at the end of each round. The second peripheral I used was the joystick, which I used as a strummer, as well as a mechanism to select which song to play during the start menu. The third peripheral I used was my speaker. The speaker just plays the song. Finally, I used 4 shift registers and an 8x8 LED matrix to actually display the sequence of notes and to let the user play the game. The game supports up to 8 different songs, which are easily programmable, and auto-generates notes for each new song you implement. Now let me discuss the specializations. The game has 2 main special features. One is a complex mechanism for scoring, and the other is star power. Star power builds up as you hit consecutive notes and is displayed on the left-hand side of the screen as a building up blue bar. The higher your star power goes, as you build up star power, eventually it reaches a certain threshold and the notes turn blue and double in frequency. It is obviously easier to score points at this point as you have twice as many notes to hit. However, at the same time, it's tougher because you have twice as many notes to hit in the same amount of time, so it's easier to miss one. The scoring itself works in a very sort of complex but straightforward manner. The first note you hit is worth 1 point, the second note you hit consecutively is worth 2 points, the third note you hit consecutively is worth 3 points, and so on and so forth, until you miss a note, at which point the scoring resets. Now I'm going to demo the game. As you can see, I scored a 60, which is a relatively low score as the maximum score is 666.